Welcome, friends. I will take you from silent generation to generation beta. So let us discuss much talk topic Gen Z and all. So first from 1928 to 1945 generation was known as silent generation. So we have nothing much to discuss about them. Then we come to baby boomers. Silent generation was from 1928 to 1945. Baby boomers start from 1946 to 1964. The vibe is post-W War second optimism, Cold War paranoia, and civil rights movement. Technology grew up with televisions and rotary phones. Money came from massive economic expansion, benefited from massive economic and expansion, and defined by work hard, climb the ladder was the ethos of that time. Now comes Gen X. Their time period is from 1965 to 1980. The vibe of that time was cynical. Latchkey kids, divorce rate soared, grunge, MTV, and slacker culture. Technology, the bridge grew upon analog, that is vinyl typewriters, but built digital world early, PCS, emails as adults. Money, voice, highly independent, skeptical of institutions, and highly resourceful. Then comes millennials, that is Gen Y, 1981 to 1996. The defining event of that time is 9/11, the Great Recession, graduating into a jobless market, and the birth of social media came second place. Technology, digital immigrants grew up with dial-up internet, and Nokia bricks phones are like bricks, but adapted to smartphones in their 20s. The vibe of that time was kill chain restaurants, love avocado toast, and prioritize experiences over stuff. They value work-life balance and are highly educated but burdened by student debt, study loans. Then comes Gen Z, Zoomers, better say Zoomers from their time period is from 1997 to 2012. What does it mean, the time period? Means people born between 1917 to 2012. The defining element is a COVID-19 pandemic, formative high school, college years, the Trump Biden era, the march for our lives, that is gun violence. Technology was digital natives, never knew a word without high-speed internet. They grew up with iPods and smartphones from toddlerhood. The vibe, visual communications like TikTok, Instagram, over text heavy. They are not Facebook lovers, financially pragmatic, more likely to go to trade school or live with parents to save money. Hyper aware of mental health and climate change. They prefer texting over phone calls and have a famously dark, ironic sense of humor. After that, the generation is known as Gen Alpha, the children born between 2013 to mid 2020s. The defining event is born entirely during after COVID-19 disruptions. Growing up amid AI explosion, ChatGPT, Midjourney. Technology, AI natives, touch screen are instinctual. They talk to voice assistants like Siri, and if they are human, friends. The vibe of this generation is currently kids and teens, predicted to be most formally educated, globally connected, and tech immersed generation ever. Heavy consumers of YouTube shorts and unboxing videos. We don't fully know their adult traits yet. They are literally writing the playbook right now. Then coming up is Gen Beat, starting from 2025. They will be the first to grow up entirely in a world of where autonomous AI and quantum computing are the norm. So we have to see millennials are the adapters, learned the map, then used GPS. Gen Z, the natives born with GPS in their hands. Gen Alpha, the drivers born expecting the car to drive itself. Which generation are you? And do you feel like you fit in the stereotype? If yes, then comment yes. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.